Basically for three main reasons. The first one because it's healthy, second because it's our tradition, and third because it's the ingredient that make our dish perfect. So it's healthy because prevent a lot of disease like heart disease, and if we take care of our heart, everything can be better. It's our tradition because it's more or less like amber in Dansk. So when we serve olive oil, we try to bring a small piece of our history, our culture, and it's very important for our dish. For the reason we serve like an entrance in Arco and Treinta, and is the ingredient that always can make your dish a little bit Mediterranean. There are two different ways to discover if one olive oil is good. The first one, when we cannot open the bottle. For example, we can see extra virgin olive oil is the first element that we have to see. Second element is the color of the bottle. We have to know that the light is very dangerous for the quality of our olive oil. In the case of this producer, he do the transparent bottle, but he keep in a box, and this is a good element. Then one of the important things is the provenance of the olive oil, and it's very important that the olives have to be collected and pressed in the same place where the oil comes from. In the case of the Italian one, it's very important to see EGP. EGP is like a certificate that guarantee that the geographic localization is protected. For the Spanish one, for example, we have produced in Spain. It's also to recognize the provenance of the olive oil. Another thing is the price. Olive oil extra virgin is not a cheap product, so the price have to be around 30 zloty each liter, more or less. Can be expensive, but when it's lower, it's not the best quality. And the last one is the longest of the life of the olive oil cannot be more than 1 year. There are other things when we have the possibility to open the bottle. Basically, they are three. The first one is the consistency. The consistency have to be a little bit more consistent, don't have to be so fluid. The second one is the color. The color have to be a nice, shine, brilliant color between dark yellow, green, a little bit gold. And the third one is the smell. The smell is very important, that the olive oil have to smell like fresh olives, grass and herbal elements. In this way, we can recognize a good extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil for us is very important because it's the way that we have to bring a piece of our home to our guests. But for me, before any food, the most important thing is how everyone feel when they sit down on a table. For me, it's very important to feel the joy, because if we feel the joy on a table, also a very simple ingredient like olive oil can be the imagine of joy. So in this way, can be happy. Na zdrowie.